Hello, hi guys, everyone. Hi. Um, this is the continuation of my project management video series in which I do different videos on all the project management processes, activities, and project life cycles. So today we have to. This is video number 14, and it's the topic is project budget and how we can prepare a project budget. Budget is the money which we spent on the project to achieve our project objective. So how we can calculate the budget and the cost of our budgets. So it is actually done like we have to calculate the cost for each activity in work package. So remember in the work breakdown structures of the wedding ceremony or other project which I did in the last videos. So there are different work packages. So in the work package there are different activities, 3, 4, 5 activities in work package. Another one is 6 activity or whatever. So what we do, we calculate the cost of each activity in work package, and we give number to that activity, and it goes to the deliverable. Work package goes to deliverable, and then all deliverable goes to the scope. So it's actually the cost of all activities are calculated in package, work package, in each work package, which give us the budget of the project, and it's called the name they give is a total budgeted cost of the projects. So what cost which we calculate, what are they, and which is included in that cost of the activity? Well, definitely people and the activities include labor, trade skill, people, craftsmen, engineer, contract. All the people related to the project, if they are labor or project team or those who do the work and on that activities, whether they are supervising or whether they are doing by hand or by machine. So we calculate per hour and the dollar cost for each hour of that activity, and that activity then goes all, we calculate all activities which called work package, and that's the budget of that work package. So if, let's say if a project is a 4 deliverable and each deliverable has one package, so then all this goes to total budgeted cost of the project. So you have to calculate the people, different classification of people. This is introduction to project budget. Next, the cost of the material for each activity, which material is required for each activity. So it include anything like lumber, bricks, papers, everything, material, the cost of that material in the activity. And the third one is the equipment. Sometimes most of thing we need a machinery like computers, machinery for the excavation or site, so other related machinery, printers, etc. So the cost of that equipment we calculate for the activity, which is called resource estimation. And the facility, some of the project they are outside, so there we need a site which is where we securely put our labor, our staff, our team member, and all things. So we need facility to rent there on the site. So that's also we calculate the cost of that facility. Sometimes we need consultant and contractor to provide us good ideas for the project, and the contractor, something we outsource to other people. So that's also you have to calculate the cost of that activity, each activity in the work breakdown structure and work package. And then we put the contingency. Contingency is an emergency fund, which is usually some project 5%, 3%, 10%. So this is the money which we put aside if there is something happen, if the some activity we do again, or it doesn't goes well in the first time, so the second time then we spend that money, it's in the hand of project manager. And sometimes we need people to travel to the remote site, so their cost of traveling. So all these 6 things are calculated for the budget for each work package in the project, and that's the name they give is total budgeted cost. When we calculate for each work package the cost, so all those costs are calculated for each activity for each work package, and when we get the number, so it's total budgeted cost. The next budget term which usually we use, cumulative budgeted cost. Cumulative budgeted cost, it's a mathematic things. So cumulative budgeted cost, plain value, and is cumulative budgeted cost is actually, I will give you an example here. When you divide the whole project in work package, and then when you divide the activities of each work package in time, let's say we have a project and it has 4 work packages, let's say 4 deliverables. So it's a time-based budget. CBC is called cumulative budgeted cost, is called time-based budget. So for the first work package, let's say it's take 2 months, and the cost we calculate is $10,000. First work package for 2 months. And then for the second work package, it will take 3 months, and the cost will be $20,000. And then for the third work package, a deliverable, it's 2 months, and the cost of these all activities, including machinery and resources and everything and contingency, it will cost $15,000 to be spent on in 2 months to do this work package. The fourth package is let's say take 2 months, and the cost is $20,000. So that's what I did is the total is $65,000 is the project budget we calculated, and $7,000 I put the contingency or emergency fund. So when I calculated it is 72,000 well spent on 9 months budget at completion. So this is cumulative budgets of 72,000 are for the project we have to spend time wise. So it's easy when sometime in between, if you want to calculate your performance, project cost performance like CPI or cost variance. So like after 1 month in this first work package, you calculate the actual cost you spend and the work performed, earned value. I will explain in the next video. So here you will get the idea that you are ahead of the cost or below the cost. So let's say it's $10,000, and after 1 month, you have the project has spent 6,000. So 1,000 you spend more. So that's we can get from cost variance. This is the equation. I will explain it later. This is cumulative cost variance is equal to earned value minus actual cost, and our cumulative cost variance is equal to cumulative earned value minus actual cumulative cost. So we can do this after every month or every week to see how we are doing. We are spending more and getting less, or we are spending less and getting more earned value. So the second one is cost performance index. This is also a parameter where we can check our progress. So CPI is equal to earned value divided by actual cost. So earned value is the work you done, performed, and the actual cost you spend. And from this, if it's, let's say, CPI, cost performance index, is 1, so you are okay. The ratio is good. So what you spend, the money you get that work, you got that earned value. But if it is below 1, let's say it's 0.8, this ratio is 0.8, so it means that you per every $1 you spend, the work you done is 0.8. So per, like you did less, 0.2, 0.2%, 0.2, you did you got less earned value as compared to actual cost. So it's a mathematical ratio. So these are the definition. In next video I will give you how to calculate the budget for our work package in my project, and then you will understand how we do it. So what we covered today is to part the project budget, we use work breakdown structures, and then per each activity in the work package we calculate the cost of the people who work, the cost of the material per each activity, the cost of the equipment, facility. Then we put contingency set aside, we cost everything, calculate cost, and then that's called the total budgeted cost of the project. And then there is another term which is cumulative budgeted cost. I will explain you in the next video. So plain value is little bit different to calculate mathematically. And then I give you the same example. Part the cumulative budgeted cost is a time-based budget. So let's say first package, second, third board, we put the money, we put the month, and then we calculate the contingency. These are the two equation where we can check our performance after every week or month. So if we spend more and we get less, if we spend less or we get more earned value, and these two equation we will use in our project to check the cost performance index of our project. I hope you guys got a good idea and have a nice day. Thank you.